Immersive learning is a key part of what we do here at WPU. We know that students learn best by doing, and that's why in fall of 2023, we are changing the curriculum. I'm Dr. Beth Cusco.
And I'm Dr. Caleb Hoosman, and we're here to tell you about the shift to the 4-credit model that's taking place in fall of 23.
So we're piloting that shift this year. So all of our classes moved 4 credits in the fall of 2022, and it has been amazing. We have had so much more time in the classroom to get to know students, to create these hands-on learning experiences, immersive opportunities like bringing in guest speakers, going out into the city. For us, it's also things like debates, simulations. It could be labs and projects and all these like amazing hands-on things in other classes. But it has been, it's been wonderful.
I've loved it as well, and all of my students have loved it because of all the active learning opportunities that Dr. Cusco talked about. It's been great, and also it simplifies things for the students. You have less classes, and those classes are more in depth. So same total amount of time spent in the classroom, but you're doing more fun things, and you're learning each topic and each subject that you take more thoroughly. So it's been delightful so far. I think both the professors and the students have really enjoyed it.
It's natural that you're going to be a little nervous. We were at the beginning of this year, but that's why we need you guys to meet with your advisors sooner, beginning on March 13th. So I think it's going to take probably a little bit more time to get schedules tracked and make sure that you guys are getting into the classes that you need. So please connect with your advisor. Advising starts March 13th to get those things figured out.
Just have a little bit of patience with your advisor and know that it might take a little bit longer than normal to do all of this, but we'll get in the groove of it this semester, and then it'll be no problem moving forward. And it's well worth it to have these 4-credit classes that are great. You're going to enjoy a lot more. And don't worry, you're still going to graduate on time and all that sort of stuff, so that's not going to be a problem.
Students have really enjoyed the shift to 4 credits, having more time in class to do readings in class together, to write together, longer time periods to take exams, plus all the hands-on learning rather than just lecture. It has been like a really engaging, awesome academic year. So don't forget to check your emails for any updates, especially around advising, and the website and your socials. We're gonna make sure that you guys get everything that you need for the upcoming year.
It's gonna be awesome.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.